Day is approaching. It came by really fast, and that's basically it. But let me tell you, there are so many different types of people during Valentine's Day. Oh my god, I said that really fast. There's a lot of different types of people during Valentine's Day. And it may be amusing to see some until you realize that you're one of them. But anyways, this video is about those different types of people. Yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. You've got to be kidding me. Who in this house blocked the milk? How am I supposed to get the milk when there's two things in front of it? No, don't talk, don't
I
talk,
didn't
don't,
leave it there.
don't. Shh. No. Explain to me. I'm right here. How I am gonna get the milk. Okay. How I am gonna get the milk without going out of my
Leave it there.
without going out of my way to move two huge, let me tell you, big objects. I don't even want to touch to get the milk. Oh yeah, so Taylor got me this really cute sweater, and I love it so much. Like, he really knows me, you know. What did you get? Oh, I didn't get anything, but it's okay because I'm okay with not getting anything, you know. Like, I don't really like Valentine's Day. I don't really like Valentine's Day anyways, you know, because like I feel like it's like so greedy, and like you just want something for yourself. Like, I just don't like it, and there's no point in it, you know. Like, we have Christmas already and all those other stuff that we don't need Valentine's Day. Like, who needs Valentine's Day, you know? So like, it's okay. Like, I'll be fine. Okay, perfect. I woke up just on time. Now I need to work out at 7. Go to Target at 8. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, I need to go to that meeting. And then I need to practice my guitar a little bit because I haven't been doing that. Oh, I need to finish my applications. Oh, it's Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go buy myself some chocolates. I could probably go when I go to Target. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to hit those thumbs up and subscribe right here if you already haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're any of these, make sure to comment down below which one you will be for Valentine's Day. I don't judge.